Grab your controller, Blonde Wonder.
Yes, that is my plan, yeah. Have my control.
Ready?
Yep.
That didn't work, did it?
Nope.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, hang on a minute.
Yeah, sorry, I turned on that.
Why did you do that when I walked out of the room?
Because I was watching a video on YouTube with me.
You was being vain and watching yourself.
Yeah.
That's what I'll do. There's a thing someone put on Facebook, Google your full name, and the first picture is you, and I got like a truck or something, so apparently I'm a transformer.
Gosh, kill one of the zombies. How do you zoom in? Headshot.
It's the right thumbstick.
Yeah, I just did it. Just got a headshot.
Why is it going from your point of view?
Because
That didn't work, did it? We shall all be incapacitated by my flatulence.
I only have a sniper.
Oh shit.
I got one.
I think I'm dead. Goodbye, Girl.
Please don't die. Oh, you flew.
I got shot in the back. Ouch.
Ooh.
You're okay.
Yeah, shot me.
You're okay. You're over there.
Yes, I know.
I pointed at the screen. Audience can see that.
How did he not die?
He's not that guy back. Careful. He's got a double barrel.
I know he's got a double barrel. I'm catching up. I'm catching up. I will get him. Aha. Aha.
Run, 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 run.
Yeah.
I think you got anybody. No. It's not safe to respawn yet.
There's a guy there.
Even though it's safe for you to recharge your health. There's
Zombie.
a zombie crawling about.
Somebody there.
Boobs. Why are you doing that to Nickelodeon? It's not like you're doing that to Nickelodeon thing. Boop, 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 boop.
Everyone's dead apart from that one guy with the shotgun.
Why can I not spawn?
Because
I feel so left out. Oh man.
there you go.
Oh, I got a ton of stuff as well.
See, you always get freebies from me.
No.
We've still got a zombie with us.
Oh yeah.
We've got a dead guy here as well.
Dumb girl brains. I feel dumber. You just thought that eating dumb girl brains would only add a little bit to your health, but no, it's actually negative.
Something just happened there.
I just ate for this guy's metal war hat.
Whoa, that was weird, it just kept moving.
Oh yeah, it's like an escalator.
You can't jump down it though. You jump.
Well,
You jump again and it takes you back up.
It's an up escalator, so this guy's in his PJs.
You have a shotgun. It's a very unbelievable. No. Nature's wonder meat. It's not innuendo at all. Oh, is it?
She's the type of girl who would eat a lot of meat, if you know what I mean.
Dark meat or white meat?
Yeah, she ain't a vegetarian at all. Who's playing Reveille?
No.
He's calling us foreigners. Ow, you shot me in the face.
Sorry.
Where's the guy over here? I think that was...
took down half his health.
I thought that was stuck to your head there. It looked like it stuck to the hand.
Stick it to the hand.
Oh, we're gonna face the boss as well.
Oh. What's that?
The first boss.
Well,
Have we faced the boss already?
we faced the chief guy.
Well, yeah, but that was just dancing.
That was a dance boss.
We're gonna face the first fighting boss.
Fuck,
Stop shooting me!
I'm not shooting you. Okay, that guy had a trick. I've already shot that guy in the face. Kill that person.
Itchy neck, itchy neck.
Okay. I shot him in the face once, but I didn't die. Lag. Look out. Guy with a shotgun. Good. Kill the zombie.
He disappeared.
He got poofed.
What are you doing down there? You're not supposed to be down there.
I was running around with a guy in a shop.
I've got itches everywhere on my face. Oh, I've got no good grenade.
Smacked your face with a controller. No, I don't mean like that.
Ow.
Yes, just that way it hurts.
Above my right eyebrow. You never were going to go to college, do you?
Eat his brain leave with me, dying.
Come here, my pretty.
Brain loss? We've lost. Well, he is suffering from his brain loss as well. Just eat me.
Go away. And you.
I didn't mean to do that, I thought it was a zombie.
We're gonna need these zombies for the boss.
Which I've just activated.
We're gonna need the zombies to distract the boss.
I'll distract him.
The announcer's still going. Oh, she stopped.
I'll be in the truck. You finish him off.
I got a chainsaw.
Can you get the guy with the shotgun?
No, not yet. Should be next level. Run like hell.
Sure. Eat his brain. No! Why did you do that? I had the option to eat his brain.
No, you tear off his arm.
Over there.
What? Where's he gone? Good, he's still following you.
That was worth it.
Got my head. Don't die, don't die. Yes,
I have no choice. Why are you possessing people? That's not what we need to do.
He didn't even do all, he didn't die. Where is it?
The zombies are getting him. Oh, he's just speared. Where's he going?
We're both gonna find him at the same time.
Where's Hillbilly Chainsaw gone? Shit.
Oh crap. How do I do this? How do I do this? Yeah.
I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Lock him off. Lock him off.
I'll try.
Well, that's the first time I've ever gotten down there. That might have hurt jumping over there.
Whee!
Like I said, it might hurt going over there.
Yeah.
Oh god.
I don't know where he is. He doesn't look like he's down there.
When did you respawn back? When did you respawn back up here?
I don't know.
How the hell do I get down there? Well, I heard a shot.
Give me a chainsaw.
Oh, is it this way? Yeah, it's this way, isn't it?
Yeah, there is one guy still alive. Yeah.
Oh, you're back. If he is down there, that's the first time I've ever gotten him down there.
Oh crap.
Why did you do that? There you go.
I still get stuff.
Is that it?
No,
That's a zombie.
aha!
You found him?
No.
Oh, you found him. Whoa! Found him. Give me your arm.
I just sniped him.
Shoot him in the face. Shoot him in the face.
Don't lead him over here. Lead him away from me.
Shoot him in the face. Shoot him in the face.
Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Run, you hillbilly. Oh, you moved him.
Oh.
Missed.
Oh, I got his brains. Brains. That's the deepest my voice is ever going to go in my life. Okay, we've got to 10 minutes, but cutscene's going. Oof. Round is up.
Where are we?
Underneath the car.
Awesome. He drives like that. Cool.
Okay, I'm just gonna stop it here
Mm-hmm.
for the